Hey, meet the beast. It's a strong pit bull. It's not my pit bull, but I brought some treat for him. Some Kentucky chicken and some fries. Hope he enjoys it. He's a very good dog, but it's not my dog, but I still brought some treat from him. So let's give it to him. Eating it. Yes, he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it a lot. Yo, yes, he is enjoying it. Come on, good dog. You're a good dog. Yes. It's good to be kind to all animals and all creature, even if they are not yours. Yes, but I don't want to get into this cage because it's not my dog. You have to be careful with these pit bulls. They are very good dogs, very strong dogs, and you don't want to mess with them and go very close to them without the owner permission. But they are very good dogs, they're lovely dogs, but still you have to be careful with them. So hope you like this video. I would be sharing more videos of life of kindness in coming weeks. Thank you very much.